Today's podcast will cover week 2 of 4 on respiratory protection and airborne hazards. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Airborne hazards in a warehouse aren't always obvious. You might not see or smell them, but they're there. Dust from pallet handling, vapors from cleaning supplies, fumes from battery charging areas. Each hazard is different, and so is the protection that you need against it. One of the top priorities of a solid safety culture is making sure people understand that not all respirators are the same. The type of respirator that you choose must match the hazard that you're facing. Using the wrong one is almost the same as not using one at all. Here are a few things that are going to make sure that you're using the proper protection. Number 1, match the respirator to the hazard. Paper dust masks may keep out nuisance dust, but they won't protect you away from chemical vapors. A cartridge respirator that handles solvents won't block welding fumes. Always confirm that the respirator you're using is issued and designed for the exact task that you're doing. Number 2, know the difference between air purifying and supplied air models. Air purifying respirators filter the air around you. They work when the air has oxygen but contains contaminants. Supplied air respirators bring in clean air from another source. These are used when the surrounding air isn't safe to breathe at all. Number 3, pay attention to filter ratings. You've heard of things like N95 or P100. Those labels matter. They tell you how much filtration you're getting. N95 filters block at least 95% of airborne particles, while P100 filters block nearly all of them. Number 4, only use a self-contained breathing apparatus with proper training. Self-contained breathing apparatus, or SCBA, provide complete independence from the surrounding air. They're life-saving in the right situations, but they're also complex. No one should ever use these without complete training and certification. And last but certainly not least, never share or modify respirators. Respirators are personal protective equipment, or PPEs, just like earplugs or gloves. Sharing one can spread germs and may cause a bad fit. Modifying one, such as taping cracks or adding parts, can make it unsafe. If it's damaged, replace it. And as always, these are potential tips. Please make sure to follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. Respirators protect one of our most vital organs, our lungs. But they only work when they're the right kind, in good condition, and used the way that they are meant to be. Warehouse air can look fine, but can still carry invisible hazards. Choosing the right respirator is a decision that's going to keep you healthy, not just today, but for years down the road. And that's exactly what we want. And before we wrap up today, we want to thank you for an absolutely awesome milestone, and that is today marks number 300 on our episodes that we've been bringing you safety tips, tricks, and nuggets. We do this to keep you, your staff, and your facility safe, and hope to be doing it for you for many years to come. We thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.